Grow, grow in the sun. Seeds and soil, water runs from the garden. Watch them show. Food we eat begins to grow.